Hello again from Breviksbadet, and I am on yet another beach spot here at this beach park, Breviksbadet. So right now I am next to the other public sandy beach that you can see right here, but it is mostly covered in shadow right now, this late in the afternoon. It's 5:30 p.m. and I will be now taking a swim on the rocky part of the public beach. And we can see in the distance also a Viking Line cruise ship that I'm not really sure which route is trafficking, but it's gonna bring a lot of waves in a bit. So the sun is up again after being cloudy most of the day, and this beach has both public and nudist part. I have visited the nudist part 1 hour ago, and it's right there. You can see it also from here, the nudist beach. It's quite secluded and it's perfect for nudist enthusiasts. And yes, it is beach day number 93 on my Sweden beach adventures on this 14th of July, and this is yet another beach adventure from here from Breviksbadet, and I really enjoy having a swim in the Baltic Sea. So this beach is in Österåker, which is another municipality in Stockholm, and it's quite a ride to get here from central Stockholm. It would take you between 1 hour 15 minutes and 1.5 hours depending on the connections, because you need to change 2 times in order to get here, and different types of transport as well. So yeah, there are 2 main public sandy beaches here and 1 nudist beach as well, but also these rocky parts that are in between are also nice to enjoy for sunbathing and also to go in for a swim in the sea, like I'm gonna do now. And this one here is also overlooking the nudist beach as well. So yeah, day out on the sea on this Sunday, 14th of July. Now let's then embark into the sea and enjoy a nice swim here. I'm trying to find a way in. Okay. All right. Let's see, what do we have here? So lots of rocks here beneath, among the seaweed that is growing like crazy. So yes, then I am ready for another swim here at Breviksbadet. So, oh, here I'm drowning in quicksand. This is quicksand right here. So yeah, let's not wait any longer and take a swim at Breviksbadet, yet another beach adventure. So let's go. Oh my god, it is so I couldn't see anything because of the mud, supposedly, but I'm standing here and it's quite shallow, so I thought it's gonna be a bit a bit deeper right here, but here we have a bit of mix of quicksand, normal sand, I guess. But yeah, it's nice anyway. Let's take a bit more of a longer swim now. Whew. Yes, it is 15 degrees Celsius in the sea and 20 degrees Celsius in the outdoor temperature. So yeah, and over there is the nudist beach that we visited earlier. And I'm really not sure why the sand here is so wet. It's almost like quicksand indeed. But yeah, that's a wrap from another episode from Breviksbadet here in Österåker municipality. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!